You're watching KSG News Explainer. In this video, we are going to talk about panel for gas pricing freedom. This is for GS Paper 1 resources. A government-appointed gas price review panel led by Kirit Parikh submitted its report to the government, recommending a floor and ceiling price for legacy fields and complete pricing freedom starting 1st of January 2026. Now, what are the objectives of the committee? The committee was tasked with suggesting a fair price to the end consumer while ensuring a market-oriented, transparent and reliable pricing regime for India's long-term vision for ensuring a gas-based economy. Its mandate was to suggest a regime that would help raise domestic production to help meet the goal of 15% of energy coming from gas by 2030 and provide fair prices to consumers. It looked at the pricing of gas from two sources. The first set is the legacy or old fields, which were given to ONGC, and oil on a nomination basis without any condition of sharing profits, and therefore the government controls its price. Gas from legacy fields is sold to city gas distributors who had to raise rates of CNG and piped cooking gas by over 70% after prices went up from $2.90 per million British thermal unit till March to $6.10 in April and further to $8.57 last month, reflecting a surge in global rates. The second set is for the ones that are in difficult geology. Now, what prompted the review of rates? Due to the rise in rates, it narrowed the gap between CNG and polluting diesel, prompting the review. Now, what are the findings of panel? A fixed band of pricing for gas from legacy fields, which makes up for 2/3 of all natural gas produced in the country, would ensure a predictable pricing regime for producers and at the same time moderate prices of CNG and piped cooking gas, which has shot up by 70% since last year on the back of a surge in input cost. The panel has suggested linking the price of gas produced by state-owned firms from fields given to them on a nomination basis to imported crude oil prices rather than benchmarking them to gas rates in international markets, adding the rates thus arrived would be subject to a floor and ceiling. The ceiling rate for this gas from legacy or old fields, called APM gas, will be increased by $0.5 per MMBTU annually. The panel also suggested including natural gas in the one nation, one tax regime of GST by subsuming excise duty charged by the central government and varying rates of VAT levied by state governments. That's it for this explainer. Thank you so much for watching. To join KSG India courses and to crack the IELTS exam, visit ksgindia.com. You can also get a PDF of this explainer on ksgindia.com.